have to do this math test. It's so boring. I don't get numbers. I hate maths. When am I ever going to use maths in my future? Oh, it's so hard.
Hey you, are you the one doing the maths test? It's really not that hard. When we need to write down numbers, we use these 10 symbols.
About that base 10. It's all about that base 10. It's all about that base.
What's wrong? Are you scared of 7?
Base 10.
Yes, everyone is. Why? Because 7, 8, 9. These are the only 10 symbols we use for the numbers in maths. They make up every single other number. But what about 20? That uses the symbols 2 and 0. But what about 99? Well, that uses the symbols. Well, what about 10,001? That uses the symbols. But what about... Stop. I said there is no number that doesn't have those symbols in it. Wait, I'm still thinking. It is all determined by the position of the symbol in the number. When the symbol is in a different place, it has a different value. The places in a number are all multiples of 10. The ones, 10 times smaller than the tens, 10 times smaller than the hundreds, 10 times smaller than the thousands, 10 times smaller than the tens of thousands. Huh? I think you need to go on a little historical journey to find out the facts. My rainbow facts? No, the facts about numbers. My number facts? No, the facts about how our counting system was created.
I am Ali Bahata.
And I am Kasuma Pahura,
We developed place value in the 5th century
which is actually 400 AD.
because of the miracle of zero.
Zero is a hero?
The numerical system we created is a writing system for expressing numbers.
Using digits as symbols in a consistent manner.
These became our Arabic numbers 0 to 9.
It provides a context that allows the same symbols to be repeated, but that they represent different values based on the place they hold in the number.
Huh?
You know, the number 11 is made up of the symbol 1 sitting next to another symbol 1. The one on the right is worth 1, so there is one of them which equals 1.
The one on the left is worth 10, so there is one of them which equals 10. We can then say 11 is 10 and one more.
So they are actually constant? Place value never changes?
Yes, and it is relative.
Really? Which number am I related to?
I'd say you might be related to 2 because you're just too crazy.
Cool! It was actually exactly another whole century later, in the 6th century, when the numeral 0 was introduced.
It was the birth of zero.
It is the first of our arithmetic numbers in our base 10 counting system.
It's a placeholder!
It's a boy.
It's beautiful!
Aww.
Without 0, we are nothing!
So how are you going? Do you reckon you could do your maths test now? Not a chance! How about I show you an abacus? This device is a great way to see that the value of the symbol depends on the position the symbol has within a number. This is so cool. I know. The base 10 system works only using these 10 different symbols for our positional system or place value.
Maths is our future. If we didn't have maths in the numerical system of base 10, then we couldn't do the things we need to for the future. We need it for our technology, because in computers the main numeral system are based on the positional system in base 2. The binary numeral system, with 2 binary digits, 0 and 1. We needed to revolutionize the interconnectivity around the globe, and apps, and inventions to solve medical and scientific problems.